This week on Beyond Innovation.
We use a matching algorithm to pair language learners with refugees based on their professional backgrounds and interests. We're talking about a very highly educated population, perhaps more so than most people would give them credit for. What Chatterbox does as a company is to not just help to vocalize that fact, but take huge advantage of it in what is, in my opinion, one of the biggest economic opportunities in the world right now.
What we've been seeing across these massive multinational firms, they'll spend sometimes $600, $700, $800 million a year to hire people, because typically 2 weeks to 4 weeks can be lost in the time to put teams together, to put bids together, that sort of classic machinery, the production layer firms. And we've managed to get that down to about 2 seconds.
We offer an access over ownership option to consumer electronics. So from mobile phones to tablets and computers and so forth, where people pay only when they use the actual product and can return the product to Grover when they are done using it, right? So this is very different to your traditional financing.